it's Nadine. I've been watching a lot of these Korean vlogs and I'm so hooked on them, so I kind of want to try to make a video kind of like them. I'm gonna give full credits to Ondo because I keep watching her videos every time I commute. Anyway, right now I'm gonna pack for La Union. I'm going there tomorrow with my college blockmates. We are meeting at 3 a.m. leaving for La Union. I'm not excited about the 3 a.m. part, but I'm excited to like hang out with them because I haven't seen most of them in like 2 years. So it should be a nice bonding experience. I hope that everyone's gonna be safe. And yeah, I'm just gonna pack now. I'm only going for an overnight trip, so I'm trying to just bring a backpack and my pajamas, a towel. This is my swimming outfit for tomorrow, and I'm not sure if on Sunday we would still swim, but I brought an extra one, a hat, and then this is my outfit for if we're gonna go out at night. This is going to be my outfit for tomorrow. I'm just gonna use the same shorts for that. And for going home on Sunday, I'm just gonna wear the same thing. Like, who cares? This is a new swimsuit that I got. It's just from Pen Shop, but I thought it looks cute. This is a bath mat. It's the BTS one. I'm bringing it because it's very thin. Also trying to bring an umbrella. Okay, this is gonna be my bag. I still have my makeup and personal belongings, so I'll just bring that in another bag. I wanted to show you guys this package. You guys can't even see. Wait. I wanted to show you guys the contents of this package I got from VT Cosmetics, which is the brand that BTS works with in terms of cosmetics lines. They always have collaborations and they endorse this brand, so I was so excited when I got the email. I already opened the box and like rummaged through everything because I was so excited when I got the package yesterday, but so cute. It's just them, very simple, just holding the products, but it's so cute. It comes with this bag. I guess if it's sold in stores, this is the bag that it comes in. I'm just gonna randomly get and show you guys. The first thing that I see is the Sika capsule mask. That looks super interesting. It comes in individual packages and it looks like butter. I'm excited to try everything out. I will let you guys know how it is, maybe in my future vlog. They also gave me the Sika emulsion. I really like emulsions. It's like a thinner version of a moisturizer. The iconic green bottle that BTS is holding. Yes, I'm also holding it. There's also the Sika Skin, which is their toner. This toner, I think it's a bit watery. Yeah, it's a bit watery, so I'm probably gonna use this with a cotton pad. I'm also excited to use this. I actually really like Sika or Centella Asiatica. I think it really helps with moisturizing your skin and helping with the skin barrier. This line is targeted for acne-prone skin, and I get like pimples. Like, I don't have super clear skin. I definitely get breakouts. This is the Sika Natural Eye Gel Patch. So this is for my under eye circles, which I definitely need to use. This is the Sika Smoother. I think it's like aloe vera gel, but it's Centella Asiatica. I got another mask. This is the Sika Sleeping Mask, and it's also individually packeted. It's like coffee or tea. This is the Sika 3-step mask special care program. I am gonna use this for a nice calming treat myself type of night. And then the last thing is the Sika micro patch kit. Oh, okay. I guess it's probably inside here. The packaging is just so clean looking and medicinal because of the green. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, VT Cosmetics, for sending all of these things. I'm very excited. I'm gonna try them out, and it's around 9. 8:13. I'm gonna sleep because I have to wake up at 2:15 a.m. All I have to do tomorrow morning is to pack my charging items. So I have my really cute, this is my power bank, it's so cute. And what else? Power bank, camera. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm really excited for this trip, of course. And yeah, I'm gonna try my best to vlog for you guys, but no actual promises. I'm sorry, but yeah. It's so cute. Isang room tayong lahat.
Ito po yung 5.
Ah, thank you. Okay, we got room 5.
Kailangan nyo ng towel?
Slow.
Wow.
Ganun sa amin ba? Ayun. Thank you.
I'm stuck.
That's the best. I mean, it's
Hindi pa dyan ng ganyan. Di ba ako may like,
flower.
pamakatupal mo?
Oik!
Looks like a good spot.
Yeah. Cute.
Parang ano? Makikita talaga. Zinc oxide.
Tapos?
Galing pa niyo.
Ang cute ng chicken. May pa-clay go dun sa.
Ayan po, bar pa. Ano sa,
Kasi nasa island
ano
sila.
tayo sa ano.
Today, my drawing.
Hi! We're party ready!
Sumili po.
Gusto ko to. Basic pa, nakasahi lang.
Meron sa bus? Meron naman.
Satisfy.
Wow!
Hindi pa ako ganyan.
Mas cute to.
Pakagat na lang ah, mga ma'am.
Thank you.
Ang gilid ng mapa. Alam niyo.
Next, wow, peanut butter. Try.
Oo nga. Talagang may divide. It's kind of gloomy lang.
But it's still there.
Wala kayo dyan.
Laban o bawal?
Bagong.
Wala ako nag-ois.
In-offer bagong.
Kahit tuna lang. I'm
Bagong pa.
Office mate mo ba?
It's clean kaya. Look, it's white.
Bring your own tumblers.
Hindi siya coffee float. Hindi siya coffee float.
Parang feeling. Ganun din yun.
Mas less people here.
Ayan, yan, yan.
Dapat yung parang pabebe.
Ah, sige. Yun!
Plain rice and green chicken.
Bata ko girl ng medium.
Cute ng rabbit. Ang cute. Ang laki niya.
Tapos hindi na siya nagpakilala kasi umulis na tayo agad.
Hi, we. Sayang.
Oo, hindi ka na.
Hindi natin nakita.
Gusto ko pa mag-stay. Gusto ko pa talaga sana mag-stay.
Red alert.
Alerto lang.
Oo. Mag-ano ka, yung form, as in yung mga